Hello everybody, my name is Marcela Hartmanova. I am asking for help because I have a predicament on my Jeep Wrangler 2015. It started for now clicking noise, and I saw on YouTube there might be the lift, the problem with that, so I'm not sure about it, so I'm asking for help. If anybody knows, if you will hear the noise, you will probably know. So before I take it to the dealer, because I know my warranty expired, because I already just reached 66,000 miles, so I'm not sure if they're gonna do that, but I'm gonna take it there tomorrow anyway, so I will keep you updated. So here it is. I'm starting the engine so you could hear the clicking. Not sure if you are, but I will take it outside so you will. They say under the hood you could hear more, but looks like it's coming from passenger side. So if you have any advices, please reach me and I'll be glad to listen and take advice from you. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day. I will keep you updated tomorrow. Thanks. Ciao.